Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will do a web hosting review of a company called SiteGround. So SiteGround is very much popular, and if you are planning to purchase web hosting from SiteGround, then watch this video till end, because at the end of this video, you will be sure to decide whether to purchase web hosting from this company or not, because we are going to do an in-depth review of this web hosting company. So before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whatever new video I upload in my channel, you will get a notification immediately. One thing I would like to say that I have already written a comprehensive blog on SiteGround review. I will put a link in the description so that you can go and read that for better understanding of what I'm going to explain here. So let's start. First of all, let's see what are the service SiteGround provides. So basically it provides four types of hosting services: shared hosting, WordPress, managed hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and cloud hosting. So one by one we will review all of this. So let's start with shared hosting. So shared hosting is basically suitable for personal websites or small websites. So if you are beginner, then you must choose shared hosting only. So under shared hosting, they have three plans: startup, grow big, and go gig. So the price of startup shared hosting starts with $3.95 per month. And one thing you should notice here is that there are two types of price: special price and regular price. So special price is the amount that you will have to pay while purchasing the hosting for the first time, but when you renew the services with them, then you will have to purchase $11 per month. So for example, if you purchase 1 year of web hosting, then it will cost you around $45 for the first year, but in the next year, if you want to renew that services, then you will have to pay around $144. So my recommendation would be to go for 2 years or 3 years of plan, because overall it will lower your initial cost. So same pricing facility is applicable for a grow big and go gig, and startup plan is for new websites. It can only host one website with 10 GB of space and 10,000 visitors monthly. So which is more than enough for a new website. And if your website started growing, and if you already have a website which has more number of visitors, then you can plan for grow big and go gig. Now grow big can have unlimited number of websites, but you'll have to consider that you can only get 20 GB of web space and 25,000 visits monthly. Now in case of go gig, 30 GB of web space you will get, and around 1 lakh visits monthly. Now these are the overall features that you can get in a shared hosting, but if you want to compare all hosting features that comes under SiteGround shared hosting, then click on this particular link and you will be redirected to a page where many other features also you will be able to see under shared hosting. Now you can see that there is a 30 days money back guarantee as well. So within 30 days, if you feel that shared hosting is not good for your website, or if you are not happy with their services, then you can ask for a refund. Along with that, you will also be able to see many other features. So before purchasing shared hosting, you should review all the features that it provides, and then you should take a decision. So that was the shared hosting plan. Now let's go to the WordPress hosting plan. So WordPress hosting is basically dedicated for a website which you want to host on WordPress platform. So WordPress is very much popular content management system, and SiteGround is also a official recommendation of WordPress.org to host WordPress websites. So that being said, if you want to host only WordPress websites, then SiteGround is a better choice for you. Now the question comes, why you should go for WordPress hosting? Because WordPress hosting is pre-optimized for many features. So if you are choosing a shared hosting, then a lot of things you will have to do manually. But in WordPress hosting, everything will be pre-optimized for you, and many technical steps that you supposed to perform on shared hosting, those will not be required in case of WordPress hosting. Now as far as the price is concerned, it's pretty much similar to the shared hosting. It has also three plans: Startup, Grow Big and Go Geek, and all the features are also pretty much similar. That is the number of websites that you can host on it, the web space, and the visitors per month that it can handle. Now if you will compare the WordPress plans here, then definitely you will see some different features that was not present in shared hosting. For example, WordPress free automated WordPress install, and WordPress auto update, advanced security, and many more things are there that you will not get in shared hosting. So 30 days money back guarantee is also available in managed WordPress hosting. So if you want to have a WordPress website, then instead of choosing shared hosting, I recommend to go for managed WordPress hosting. Now the third hosting it provides is WooCommerce hosting. Now managed WooCommerce hosting is specifically designed for online store. So if you are planning to build a website where you are only going to sell online products, then WooCommerce hosting is suitable for you. And not many web hosting company provides managed WooCommerce hosting, but SiteGround is providing that. Now you can also purchase shared hosting and WordPress hosting and then install plugins over it to make it a online store. But if you are choosing WooCommerce hosting, then many things are pre-optimized and pre-installed for you to easily build a online store. Now the pricing is same for every plans. It has also startup plan, Grow Geek plan and Go Geek plan, and in terms of pricing, it's pretty much similar. Now again I will suggest you to click on compare all plans to see more features that is included in WooCommerce hosting. So definitely you will get some different features in WooCommerce hosting, and based on that you can decide whether to go with WooCommerce hosting or not. Now the last hosting that SiteGround is providing is cloud hosting. So cloud hosting is suitable for large websites, or if you already have a website which is growing exponentially and lot of traffic is coming, then you can also migrate your shared hosting or WordPress hosting to cloud hosting. So cloud hosting provides dedicated resource such as CPU, RAM, dedicated IP address for your websites, and cloud hosting is basically optimized to handle huge number of traffic. So that being said, the price is little bit high for cloud hosting. That is, at entry level it's $80 per month, business $120, business plus $160, and superpower is $240. So based on the plan also you will also get the resources. For example, in entry level you will get 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of memory, 40 GB of SSD space, and 5 TB of data transfer. In case of other plans you will get more number of resources. So I would recommend to go with the entry level plan, and then you can always switch to other plans based on the traffic that you are getting for your websites. Another good features in cloud hosting is that there is no special price or renewal price. So it is also available for per month plan, but if you are purchasing for 1 year or 2 years, then definitely you will get some discount, and which will lower your initial investment. Now you can also configure your own cloud. So if you feel that none of these plans are suitable for your needs, then you can also increase the resources according to your needs, and based on that only you will have to pay. So that was the reviews of all the plans that we have. Now let's see some of the important factors which are very much necessary to decide whether a web hosting company is good or not. So first thing is that speed, how speed your web hosting company is. So SiteGround provides lot of features to increase your website speed. So it has SSD storage, fast web servers, super cacher, CDN is also available, HTTP/2 and PHP 7. Now all these features are very much useful to increase your website speed. So all these features I have already discussed in details in my blog, so you can read my blog and you will be able to know what exactly these features does to increase your website speed. So next thing is that uptime. SiteGround has an exceptional uptime rate of 99.99. It means if you are hosting your website on SiteGround, then your website will never go down. Now another factor we should also consider, that is the response time of their server. So here you can see that they have a A+ rating in case of server response time. Singapore has 3 milliseconds of response time, and US has 211 milliseconds of response time. So lower the server response time, faster your page will load. Let's see what actual user has to say about SiteGround. So if thousands of users are already using SiteGround, and they have given their reviews on various web hosting review platform like HostAdvice and Trustpilot. So as per HostAdvice, the overall rating for SiteGround is 9.7, which is again a exceptionally good for any web hosting company. So all this rating has been given based on the reliability, pricing, user-friendly supports and other features. Similarly, Trustpilot has also an excellent review about SiteGround web hosting company, and overall rating that all users has given to SiteGround is 5. That's all for this video. These are the reviews that we have done for SiteGround. If you feel that SiteGround is good for your websites, then you can purchase web hosting, and even if after purchasing web hosting and after 1 week or 2 weeks you feel that SiteGround is not performing well for your website, then you can easily use the feature that 30 days money back guarantee, and you can ask SiteGround to return your money and they will refund your investment without any question asked. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this video, and once again subscribe to my channel to get notification about more videos like this. Thank you for watching.